That's
see
the
those? You did so see those? Empty? That's the park.
Ano, that's the it.
It's not a...
And we will let you to stay here.
Are you kidding me?
Nakakatakot.
Oh, but we have to go more. Wait, really?
Saan? Diretso? Ang entry. Ah, dito?
What is
Oh, yan lang
this?
naman.
No entry doon.
Sorry. Si Lua, si
Yan lang,
Paul.
Sige.
Ha? Diretso?
Ah,
Marcy, ano daw to?
Only pile
Ano
of
sabi ni
rocks.
Paul?
It's nothing.
Sabi niya, ano daw to? Wait, there's more.
What is nothing?
you know what it is?
Oh yeah! This is like a racing car.
Park of Scorpions.
Dinosaurs.
No, not pile of
Oh.
scorpion. Pile of rocks.
Ay, dyan no, meron pa picture sa ano, sa heart.
Oh, yan sila.
Yun na.
Pwede ko mailagay ito. Lagi kong dala-dala itong gamit. May trolley doon, no? Maybe you want something there. Picture mo. Huwag mong ganyanin. Huwag mong ganyanin. Ha? Huwag mong ganyanin. Ha? Padudus-dus ka. Ha?
What's your step? What's your specialty?
Kasi yung pinapay na lang. Pabubuhay. Diba kanina you went there inside? We wait for you.
Wala eh.
Wala.
Kita naman ganito.
What about this one? Huh? This one can roll.
Puro ilaw.
See? Oh, this one. Find the big one, but ito yan.
Di ba yung parang
Papa!
recess na?
Papa, I'm so strong that I can carry this rock.
Are you sure? Maganda doon, uuupo kayo, tapos maraming mga iglo-iglo, no? Ano, no? Ganda, oh. Walang night, ano? Ah, dapat yung may, ano, may...
The biggest one until in
Biggest turtle in there.
Oh, yung ano, oh, yung bird, oh. The parrot. Look at that. So smart, bro. Oh my gosh, that's cool.
Oh, go. Saan pa?
Here, ano pa to?
Oh, see?
Oh, this. Oh, you know, this one? Okay.
What's that? Look, Paul.
I don't know what's that. But... Oh, he just pooped. He just pooped.
I mean, maybe quarrel.
That's a fox, you know.
The rabbit Paul, oh.
Yeah, but nakita mo yan, Paul?
Hi.
Paul?
Hi, Mr. Paul. What's this?
You did see the turkey.
Oh, that's turkey. Oh, it's turkey. Hi, turkey. I'll go there. Ay, rabbit, rabbit.
Oh, look at that rabbit. Oh, I didn't have a black one.
Cute.
How is it? I like the rabbit the most. Look, I love this.
Ganda na bahay nila, oh.
Pero bakit doon? That guy right there who's scratching his head.
Ayaw, ganito.
Oh, they're twins. They're twins, huh?
Di ba yung
Yeah, I like that
nangangagat?
one.
Hindi naman. Mabait yung rabbit, diba?
Laki ng turkey.
Pet yan eh.
Ayun, oh. Lama. It's lama.
They're so cute.
Huge. Cute.
I
Ah,
like the gray one.
the gray one. Yeah, the gray one is so cute.
No, the gray and white is very cute. Oh yeah, I like this one. So cute, the gray and white. Another one.
Picture to sis.
I think it's a big grade. I'll come here and they'll like come. How would that be cute?
Ano to dito? Wala.
Dun 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 dun.
Tapos singilin na ako nito.
Stricto kasi siya.
Pero, kuya naman. Hi! Hi! Hi!
Oh, look at this spot.
Saan?
Wala ka na.
Oh, go to other place. What is this? Puppy?
Fox, fox.
Fox?
Maliit na pa.
Knock knock. Sleeping? Dreaming?
Sleeping, sleeping.
Sleeping.
Oh, look at this. Oh, what is dancing?
It's dancing. Oh, what else? Oh, it's a big turtle. Ooh. I want to knock the
Oh, I saw the head. I just saw the head. Oh, bro. Hello.
Hello.
What?
Oh, go.
Hello.
Go.
Hello. Hello.
Go near. Go near.
Hi.
Maybe
Hello.
Say salam.
Salam.
Sam.
Salam.
Salam.
I think the rabbit's so bad.
Touch the snake, please. You know. Baka pwede yan.
I just touched the rabbit. What? I just touched the rabbit. You promise? That's it now.
Gusto nila yung rabbit.
It's so comfortable. No, I didn't put it.
Yung turkey dun si So.
What sounds like a monkey? Who's doing that? The parrot. See, he's just touching. Yeah, just touch it.
It's okay because the rabbit is a pet.
I touch it. I touch it. Oh my gosh! He just like
Lick you?
oh my gosh! He just licked me. This one licked me. That small guy.
The small guy.
Stop smelling my butt.
You want rabbit?
Smelling my butt. Stranger, stop smelling my butt.
Maano yung aso?
Oh, hindi siya nag-ano.
Yes, what do you want? So, dyan ba siya ata siya eh? May nakalagay dyan?
Iwan, wala.
Baka dyan siya.
Actually,
Oh, that's
sabihin
their
mo,
fortress.
Ano, ang malmang yung samantalang sa zoo talaga nila is ano, half KD. Nakapasok ka ba sa zoo dito, sis? Sa ano?
Parang hindi pa.
Ay, nasarado kasi.
Gusto ko mag-ano ulit ng ahas.
Sabihin mo kay brother. Ayun kasi mabait.
Kaya nga. Brother, give me strings.
Ha? Sabihin mo.
I just touched his nose. I just touched his nose.
Lapitan mo siya. Brother, one
I
more.
want to fight with it. I just touched his nose. Fight.
Brother.
No, the rabbit. Oh, look at
Inaano ko, hindi ako nahihiya sa kanya. Inaanok tong isa.
I'm finding my way out. Yeah, what do you want?
Oh, you want the snake?
No way. I
What else? Go.
love the rabbit so much.
You love the rabbit so much? Ay, no, dalawa pala
Hindi
yun.
nakain nila. What they are eating?
I think good.
Brother, can you have one more? The snake? Snake?
No.
Pero ano, gusto ko sa'yo lang, sis.
Hindi ka na.
Baka kasi pag mayarin ako. Ikaw, abang di pa na.
Brother, yeah. Maybe the man will get in.
Maybe Zalan.
The other one.
This one.
Okay.
Hmm? Hindi?
But do you put
Talagang
your
really,
hand?
take it.
No, I do like this. There's a melon.
Ito na mag-out.
Ay, ka. Dilisan mo na.